Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Claude. Something went wrong. All right. So before doing some technical things, let's go ahead and check the Claude status or server status if there's something wrong with it. Okay. So go ahead and find the Claude status page. Just like so. Now go ahead and click on Claude status from status.claude.com. Open it up. And as you can see here, currently there are some partial outages. But if you got reds right here in the far right, okay, just like this one, major outage, well, that means you'll be having problem using Claude AI or Claude API, Claude Code, Claude for Government right here. So for most of us, we are using Claude AI. If this one got a major outage or even partial outage, well, that might be the reason why you have the something went wrong error. So if all is operational right here and you still got the error, well, simple fixes here. Go ahead and try to add in a new chat. Okay. As this error often means your current conversation or your conversation history has grown too large for the system to process. So go ahead and click on new chat right here and continue. If that still work, make sure that you go ahead and shorten your prompt. Let's say you copied and pasted something right here from a massive document. So you may have breached the temporary token generation threshold. So split your request or document into smaller bite-sized section. So let's say you have shortened your prompts, but you still got the error. So what do we do next? First up, if you have VPNs active, disable them for now. Either once done, go ahead over to the top right of your screen from your browser, click on all three dots, click on settings right here, go to privacy and security, third-party cookies. Scroll down, see all site data and permissions. Now find Claude AI and then Claude.com. Delete, delete. Delete here as well. Delete, delete. Close the browser. Reopen the browser. And then just log into Claude AI right here. Wait for it to load. Log in. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. So that is it. That's how simple it is to fix Claude if something went wrong. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.